Hello students, again I welcome you to the new chapter, is chapter 9, meditation. As you all know that meditation is a part of yoga and we should do yoga daily for our good health. Meditation is a mind and body practice that has a long history of use for increasing calmness and physical relaxation, improving psychological balance, coping with illness, and enhancing overall health and well-being. Mind and body practices focus on the interactions among the brain, mind, body, and behavior. So, we should meditate daily for our good health and for our betterment. There are some steps of virtues that is based on success. It is better focus, concentration, clarity, mindfulness, harmony, and peace. So now let's come to the story. In this story, here are two characters, Mr. Kumar, a tennis coach of Kushagra, and of course Kushagra. Now, one day, Mr. Kumar tried to talk about meditation and said that Kushagra looked distracted and he had lost his temper one day before. So he need to do meditation. But Kushagra replied that he cannot do it because it is only for old or hermits and he is not like them. His mind is filled with full of thoughts. In reply, Mr. Kumar laughs and said that whatever he has explained was quite funny. He said that meditation is for everyone because it helps you to become positive about everything in life like studies, relationships and sports. But Kushagra said that it is so boring as well as difficult to concentrate on one dot or a symbol. Mr. Kumar answered that it is not tough and then he told Kushagra how to do it. Mr. Kumar explained the simplicity of meditation and then Kushagra agreed to do meditation as per his instructions. Now on day 1, Kushagra sits on a mat and Mr. Kumar guides how to meditate. Kushagra closed his eyes and tried to see something and he saw thoughts, friends, relatives, books, teachers and so on. Mr. Kumar said that this is fine for him on first day and now he should relax and let everybody, means every thoughts, come and sit in the beautiful drawing room of his mind. He asked Kushagra not to try to shun them because all are his and he should treat them well. Now, he asked a question to Kushagra that what he do when visitors come to his house. Obviously, he offered tea, coffee, etc. So he should do same and greet them and let them sit for a while. Maybe they means thoughts want to be sit some more time with him. So it is fine. He should welcome everyone and let them be with him. At last, Mr. Kumar said that some of them who have been long time there will go. So Kushagra has to see them off that time. Now students, it was day 1. Now on day 2, what will happen? So listen it carefully. On day 2, Kushagra meditated again. Now Mr. Kumar decided not to whisper and guide to Kushagra. Now he has to manage himself. And yes, Kushagra managed it well and told his coach that his guests did not sit for long now as they did on first day. Now students, day 2 has gone and day 3 came. Now I know that you all are curious about to know that what would happen afterwards in day 3. So here we go. Now dear students, it came day 3 and Kushagra sat to meditate. Now this day he looked calm than earlier and sat for a long period of time. Now he was visibly enjoying something, and after that he opened his eyes to look relaxed and sleepy. Now Mr. Kumar asked him that did he experience rest and relaxation, and what did he see? Now then Kushagra replied that some guests of thoughts visited him, but soon they were bored to be there, and then they went away. After that Kushagra saw some shapes, few colors, and soon he was following them. All this formed into intricate designs, then unfolded as circles and triangles. Then at last he saw lights yellow with a golden hue, and it was so good, he said. Now students, Mr. Kumar smiled and said, "It's fine, and Kushagra may be on his own." He said to Kushagra to remember that thoughts as guests can come any time on his way, and they may be negative thoughts too, but he should not ill-treat them. Of course, he every time may not see lights when meditate, but he has to remember that everybody has her own experiences which is unique. So he asked not to compare experiences. He has to just become aware of his breath. Meditation will give him peace, concentration, and happiness. And students, the same is for you. Do meditation because it will give you peace, concentration, and happiness. Now, at the end of the story, Kushagra felt empowered like never before and enjoyed the results of meditation. That is concentration and better focus to improve his game. Students, meditation is a practice where an individual uses a technique such as mindfulness or focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to train attention and awareness and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state. So dear students, this was the story, and now go through your question answers and your exercises of this chapter of moral science, which is given in your book, and do it carefully. Try to solve it carefully. Now we will meet in next chapter of MSc. Till then, stay home, stay safe. So students, have a nice day. Bye bye.